Welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat we're going to show you today is a 2001 30-foot Chaparral signature cruiser. Has the 5.7 Volvo Penta GSI fuel-injected motors with the Volvo dual prop outdrives. We'll show you on the water how great this boat runs. On the back in the pictures you'll see that it has a large swim platform. What we're going to do is a walkthrough on land here, and then we'll show you the running shots at the lake. Inside the cockpit area here you got a huge U-shaped seating area. Little wet bar here with a sink with a pull-out shower. Nice lounge seat here. Got your double wide captain seat with a bolster, tilt wheel. Got your Lowrance LCX18 GPS. Large bimini top, and you'll see the radar arch also. You see that a little better in the pictures, and you see the outside of the boat. It's in good condition. Let's go down in the cabin and take a look. Down in the cabin here you can see it has this beautiful galley area here with the cabin table. This table is removable, and it does have the filler cushion here to make this into a sleeping area. Got your one burner glass stovetop here. Freshwater sink with cutting board here. Nice sleeping quarters on the front. You'll see in the pictures along the vinyl up there's a small defect in the vinyl, otherwise the upholstery looks good. A lot of storage in this boat. You got your refrigerator here. A lot of storage here inside all these compartments. You'll see that it has a beautiful aft cabin also with the filler cushion. A lot of sleeping areas on the boat. Here we have your shore power panel for all your accessories and your air conditioning. Inside here it has a beautiful marine head. Very easy to keep clean in there. Everything's fiberglass. So we're going to go ahead and take it down to the water, show you how well it runs on the water. Someone's going to get themselves an absolutely beautiful cruiser. Have a nice day and God bless.